Quick disclaimer, this time clock was given to me for my honest review. Here is a quick unboxing so that you know what to expect when you receive this product. First thoughts is that I love how everything is nicely protected in the package with foam and plastic. In the box, you will find the time clock, a power source plug, an instruction manual, a memory stick, and 5 RFID cards for your employees. This time clock also has a fingerprint scanner and an RFID system, which makes it even more versatile. And stay tuned, because once I get everything set up, I will be demoing those features. Now that I have everything set up, here is a quick look at the display, which is really cool. It even has a digital clock with hand movements. Here's a quick demo of the fingerprint scanner, and it works perfectly, so nobody can cheat and punch in a fellow employee. The RFID option is very easy to set up and works seamlessly, as you can see. Just make sure to wave it on the bottom right area. Now, to install on a wall, you will have to remove the actual bracket that is already installed on the clock itself. Very simply by just removing the screws at the bottom. Detach the actual bracket and install it on the wall with the drywall screws that came in the kit. Then very easily slide the clock in place and reattach the screws at the bottom of the clock. If you own and manage a business and want to keep track of time for your employees, I highly recommend this very simple system that is very easy to set up and install. I hope this video was helpful.